Promiscuity refers to engaging in sexual relationships with multiple partners, often without commitment or emotional attachment. Here are some facts about promiscuity. 1. Definition: promiscuity is a term used to describe individuals who have multiple sexual partners, or frequently change sexual partners without being in a committed relationship. 2. Cultural variations. Attitudes towards promiscuity can vary significantly across cultures and societies. What is considered promiscuous in one culture might be completely acceptable in another. 3. Gender bias. Historically, promiscuity has been more stigmatized for women than men, with promiscuous women often facing harsher judgment and social consequences. 4. Risks. Engaging in promiscuous behavior can increase the risk of sexually transmitted infections (STIs) if precautions like using condoms are not taken. 5. Emotional impact. Promiscuous behavior can sometimes lead to feelings of guilt, regret, or emotional detachment, especially if there is a lack of emotional connection with partners. 6. Individual preferences. People have different sexual preferences, and some may prefer casual encounters or open relationships, which can be consensual and ethical. 7. Mental health. While some individuals can navigate promiscuous relationships without negative effects on mental health, others might experience emotional distress or difficulty forming lasting bonds. 8. Relationship satisfaction. Engaging in promiscuity while in a committed relationship cheating can lead to the breakdown of trust and satisfaction in the primary partnership. 9. Cultural shift. In modern societies, there has been a shift in attitudes towards promiscuity, with more acceptance of diverse sexual practices and preferences. 10. Safe practices. If someone chooses to engage in promiscuous behavior, it is essential to practice safe sex by using condoms and getting regularly tested for STIs to protect one's health and the health of their partners. 11. Consent and communication. Consent and open communication are vital in any sexual encounter, including promiscuous ones, to ensure that all parties involved are comfortable and enthusiastic about their participation. It's important to remember that promiscuity is a personal choice, and individuals have the right to make their own decisions about their sexual lives. The key is to be respectful, consensual, and responsible in all sexual relationships. If you have specific concerns or questions about promiscuity, consider seeking advice from a qualified healthcare professional or a counselor who can offer personalized guidance.